3 home remedies for a dry cough fasting just 2 minutes. Before you continue the video, please subscribe and like for more. A dry cough is also called an unproductive cough. Unlike productive, wet coughs, dry coughs are unable to remove mucus, phlegm, or irritants from your lungs or nasal passages. Dry coughs can be very uncomfortable and may occur in both children and adults. There are a number of clinical treatments you can use to alleviate them, but there are also at-home remedies which can be just as effective in many cases. 1. Honey. For adults and children ages 1 and up, honey can be used to treat day and nighttime dry coughing. Honey has antibacterial properties and can also help to coat the throat, alleviating irritation. You can try taking honey by the teaspoon several times daily, or add it to tea or warm water to drink. Warning: to avoid infant botulism, a rare complication which can occur in infants, never give honey to a child under 1 year old. 2. Ginger. Ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has also been shown to boost the immune system and relieve pain and discomfort. Ginger can be found in many teas as an ingredient. You can also make ginger tea from ginger root by steeping the peeled or cut root in warm water. Adding honey may make it even more beneficial for dry cough. You can also take ginger in capsule form, or chew on ginger root to alleviate dry cough. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound which may have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It may also be beneficial for several conditions, including a dry cough. Curcumin is best absorbed into the bloodstream when taken with black pepper. You can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper into a beverage, such as cold orange juice, to drink. You can also make it into a warm tea. Turmeric has been used to treat upper respiratory conditions, bronchitis, and asthma in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. You can get turmeric in its spice form, as well as a capsule. Please smash the like button and subscribe for more.